So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from virgin to darker hair. I'm going to start off with this intense base, which is basically to intensify the color. I'm going to be putting 30 grams of that into the bowl. Afterwards, the mannequin's hair was a level 4 and we're going to go to a lighter shade, so we're going to go to a level 5, and that's why I said 5. Now the tone of the hair is going to be a dark blue-green because we're trying to get a green tone in the hair. So now I'm going to use the pure pigment, the pure green color. We're going to add that because we want the hair to be green. Now the 5 volume color catalyst is basically the developer, and that's going to like activate the color and get it working so we can put it on this doll. Mix it up. So you're gonna start off by putting the, let me see, what do they call it? The hair color around the perimeter of each quadrant. You don't want to put it all around the head yet. You just want to put it on whatever quadrant you're working with at the moment. And then afterwards, you're gonna do what they call the AVEDA A, which is basically creating diagonal sections going upward in the whole quadrant. And you're gonna put the hair color from mid-lengths to ends, and you're gonna be touching up on the roots as well. See the green colors coming in. So once I'm done with the first quadrant, see all the green in there. It didn't look green at first, but you see all that green. So I'm gonna work on the rest, and this is what it looks like towards the end when I applied the hair color all over the head. And once you get to the 2 top quadrants, you're going to do vertical sections instead of diagonal, just to let you know. So I'm going to wash out her hair, and this is what her hair looks like washed out. She has a towel on her head because we weren't going to work on her yet. We were going to lunch because, your girl was hungry. But as you can see like the blue and the green tint in there. But like without the flash, the hair looks black, but you can really see the tint though. So afterwards, we do this thing called a flat wrap, which is basically you're using like a paddle brush or an oval brush and a blow dryer, and you're just like moving the hair from side to side to get it dry. was my ending result. At first, I didn't really like it, but once you put the flash on it, I really do love it. Green is my favorite color. I love blues too, so the fact that it has like the blue and the green tint inside, that's from that dark blue green tone that we have put in it, well, that I have put in it, which gave it that like pretty, color. It just looks so shiny and sleek and sheen, you know what I'm saying? But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video. And if you like any more videos throughout my AVEDA experience, make sure you comment that down below. And until next time, muchos besitos.